Every brain changes with age, and mental function changes along with it. Mental decline is common, and it's one of the most feared consequences of aging. But cognitive impairment is not inevitable. Here are 11 ways you can help maintain brain function. 1. Get mental stimulation. Through research with mice and humans, scientists have found that brainy activities stimulate new connections between nerve cells and may even help the brain generate new cells, developing neurological plasticity, and building up a functional reserve that provides a hedge against future cell loss. Any mentally stimulating activity should help to build up your brain. Read, take courses, and try mental gymnastics, such as word puzzles or math problems. Experiment with things that require manual dexterity as well as mental effort, such as drawing, painting, and other crafts. 2. Get physical exercise. Research shows that using your muscles also helps your mind. Animals who exercise regularly increase the number of tiny blood vessels that bring oxygen-rich blood to the region of the brain that is responsible for thought. Exercise also spurs the development of new nerve cells and increases the connections between brain cells, synapses. This results in brains that are more efficient, plastic, and adaptive, which translates into better performance in aging animals. Exercise also lowers blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, helps blood sugar balance, and reduces mental stress, all of which can help your brain as well as your heart. 3. Improve your diet. Good nutrition can help your mind as well as your body. For example, people that eat a Mediterranean-style diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, fatty fish, nuts, unsaturated oils, olive oil, and plant sources of proteins are less likely to develop cognitive impairment and dementia. 3. Improve your blood pressure. High blood pressure in midlife increases the risk of cognitive decline in old age. 4. Improve your blood sugar. Diabetes is an important risk factor for dementia. If your blood sugar stays high, you'll need medication to achieve good control. Some scientists have gone so far as to refer to Alzheimer's disease as type 3 diabetes, because the disease often involves a disrupted relationship with insulin, the body's chief metabolic hormone. At the root of type 3 diabetes is the phenomenon that neurons in the brain become unable to respond to insulin, which means they can no longer absorb glucose, leading to cell starvation and death. Some researchers believe insulin deficiency or resistance is central to the cognitive decline of Alzheimer's disease and could be implicated in the formation of those infamous plaques that bungle up the brain's systems. 5. Improve your cholesterol. High levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, are associated with an increased risk of dementia. 6. Avoid tobacco in all its forms. 7. Don't abuse alcohol. Excessive drinking is a major risk factor for dementia. If you choose to drink, limit yourself. 8. Care for your emotions. People who are anxious, depressed, sleep-deprived, or exhausted tend to score poorly on cognitive function tests. Poor scores don't necessarily predict an increased risk of cognitive decline in old age, but good mental health is certainly important goals. 9. Get sufficient sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your brain to consolidate memories, recharge, and function optimally. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 10. Build social network. Strong social ties have been associated with a lower risk of dementia, as well as lower blood pressure and longer life expectancy. 11. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time, particularly passive activities like binge-watching, can negatively impact cognitive function. Set limits on screen time and allocate time for more mentally stimulating activities. To keep your brain sharp and healthy, consider implementing 11 ways in your lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more health content.